Love you.
Wow. Oh my God.
Hey Teresa, it's Chris Harrison.
Oh my God.
This is the most dramatic video ever. Jer is sending you this video, and he's here for the right reasons, and he's ready to go on this journey with you. So, without further ado, Teresa, this is the final rose tonight. Jer, why don't you take it from here?
Oh.
Babe, I would love it if you go to prom with me.
Yes. Thank you.
I love you.
I love you too. This is so nice. Wow. Who made the balloon thing?
I paid a company.
Oh. You what? Oh.
Yeah, I paid a company to do it all.
Oh my God.
$1,700 later.
Oh my gosh. Why?
Because I wanted to have it be cool and awesome.